Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Today I have in my shop for simple oil change and simple inspection or check 2015 Toyota Prius. This one is the plug-in, and before I will start that engine oil change I would like to show you that catalytic shield. I report you we had that bunch of thefts here, months ago, maybe time flies. And this customer immediately contacted me that he wants to have it installed. I wasn't ready, my calendar was full, so he had it done by the dealer. And that gives us a chance to see how it looks on this generation 2015 Prius. It's a plug-in Prius, and there is that letter M which is upside down right now, so I'm assuming it's a product from the MillerCat. I'm assuming for two different reasons. It has that M, and also I believe the dealers, Toyota dealers across the USA are using these products. So let's see how the dealer install it. You will see the signs of dealer workers are in hurry. So there was a sticker holding something. Nobody took the time to remove it. It's still here. There is another sticker left right here. Have no idea if it was some kind of installation help or why they will put this blue tape. What was it holding there? Nothing. So we will remove it because there's a lot of heat from exhaust here. We don't want that baking around here. You see nicely the vents to get rid of that heat. And I believe this is upgraded version. They are selling this. The MillerCat is selling this for $160 as a base version, and they say if you buy this anti-tampering screws, which are extra, I believe the whole set sells for $90. So hopefully this gives you idea how it looks. It seems to be pretty solid. I'm assuming it's a stainless steel. I think it's installed correctly. I don't hear any vibrations from it. That's why I'm banging on it. I'm not trying to destroy it. I just want to see if it's all tight. So basically there are like a spacers between the steel material and the body. You can look it up on the MillerCat webpage. They have nice pictures of all of it. So this is how you can prevent the thieves from cutting off catalytic converter on 2015 Prius. Obviously it's a good idea to do that because what I heard, if they cut it off, there's actually no new replacements available right now. And if I remember correctly, when he called me months ago, he was saying the dealer will charge something like $350, but that's out of my memory. So I hope you find this interesting, and please make sure you are subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. Thank you for watching, and have a great day, my friend.